Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat Trading for Living live session. Wednesday morning, we are about 1 hour into the trade now. For last couple of days, we have witnessed a very flat movement in the indexes, both Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. Both the days, Monday and Tuesday, we have seen late upsurge, in the sense markets have gone on the upside in the last few candles. Otherwise, there has not been much movement during the day for last 2 days. Today it's no different. Market is in a very narrow range and trading just about yesterday's close levels. Let us first look into the Nifty chart. Nifty currently trading at 18,450 levels, has made a high of 18,474, which you can see is a lower high, in the sense yesterday high has been at around 18,488, but today it has made a opening high at 18,474 and made a low of 18,403 levels. This is the futures price, and now quoting midway between high and low of the day, which is around 18,450. So this is Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, has opened within the range and slightly made green candles in the last 4 candles and has crossed yesterday's high of 42,561. So it is making a new high. In the recent past, Bank Nifty has been making a higher highs. For last 2 days, it has made a late surge, and today in the very early in the morning, it is broken above the range. In the first hour of trade itself, it has broken the range of yesterday's high and it has made a new high at around, currently it is trading at the higher levels, 42,597, which is almost 42,600. So this live session is with the objective of helping the traders on intraday basis. If any of you are watching the live video, you can put in your comments on any of the queries that you have with respect to your existing positions, or if you want to take any new positions, or if you have to really understand any concepts in trading activities. It could be how to do the entries, it could be how to put the stop losses, it could be how to do the risk management, what is trend following, any of these aspects in any of the fundamentals of technicals. So if you have to know anything about the fundamentals of technicals, you can put your query in the chat box. We will be happy to help you and coach you whatever is possible. We run this Trading for Living live programs, and we also do the Trading for Living training sessions, wherein we teach the fundamentals of stock market trading, and we also handhold you in your live trading activities. It is not like we just give you 2-3 days of training and we move on to the next students. We mentor you, we coach you, we will be with you in all your trades, and we very closely monitor your trading habits, your trading pattern, your trading thinking process. With that, we will help you on how to really become a better trader and make a living out of stock markets. So this is the program that we have envisaged as part of Banao Bharat's Trading for Living program. This is a Arthik Nirbharta Abhiyan, which is a objective or a project to make people independent and achieve financial freedom through stock markets. We will quickly go through some of the sectors. First, we'll see the cement, because we had some upward momentum in cement stocks yesterday. Let us see how the cement stocks are faring today. ACC, you can see yesterday it made a few candles up, but it did not sustain rest of the day, and now it is trying to having actually no trend today in ACC. Ambuja Cement, again trading in a very narrow range without much movement. India Cement, it has given up all the gains yesterday. The early morning gains was given up, and today it is just about trading in a very small range. Shree Cement, one wild candle in the first opening itself, when such wild candles happen in the opening, it becomes difficult to trade or establish a levels. In such cases, my suggestion is whenever you see a very big opening candle like what we see in Sri Cement today, you can see the high of 23,351 and low of 22,397, which is like 1,000 points difference opening in the very first candle itself. Whenever you encounter such big candle in the opening itself, you have to understand, you can, because these are the future price, you can look into the spot price. So for example, if you have the cash market details, then you can look into what's the opening candle values in Sri Cement in the first candle. So that is with respect to Sri Cement. Whenever such big candles are there, it becomes difficult to trade, so you have to be doubly careful in such trading activities. Generally, Sri Cements are generally not done by active traders. Active traders will generally stick to high volume counters like Nifty and Bank Nifty, and in high volume counters you may not experience such instances very often, but still in a year you will see such big candles in the opening itself under certain major events days. For example, if there is a RBI policy or if there is a Fed rate updates, such of those days you can see the first candle will be a very big candle. So you need to be very careful in trading such days, or it is better you avoid such trading days. So this is with respect to the opening candles. When you see a big opening candle, how to do the trading. Going on to the Dalmia Bharat. Dalmia Bharat again has, after many days of very narrow movement with less volume, has today broken on the upside with volumes. So maybe whatever the cement stocks, other cement stocks have done in last few days is now being attempted by Dalmia Bharat today. So this is with respect to Dalmia Bharat. Banking stocks. Axis Bank opens within the range and starts going down immediately. Almost all candles are in the red. You can see a clear negative trend emerging in Axis Bank. Bajaj Finserv opens little lower but trying to regain some lost grounds. There is no trading levels in Bajaj Finserv. It is now at around 1707, made a high of 1720 and low of 1682, about 40 points opening range. When such opening range happens in a stock which is already in a downtrend, which gaps down, goes further down and starts moving up, where do you think is the next entry level for such stocks? Bajaj Finance. The same chart pattern we see both in Bajaj Finserv. This is a Bajaj Finserv chart and this is Bajaj Finance chart. Almost a similar opening pattern in both Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance. Bandhan Bank opens higher, gives up all the grounds. It's just going down with only red candles. Bank of Baroda, very narrow movement. Bank Nifty, it is trading at about yesterday's higher range. Wait for the proper entry levels on the upside. As of now, there is no entry at around today's high or yesterday's high. You may have to wait for new levels to form, but there is no short trade in Bank Nifty. As of now, at least there is no short trade, and you have to wait only for the long trade, and even the current levels are not the buy levels, but there is a buying opportunity emerging in Bank Nifty. Can Bank opens good, goes higher and now trying to give up certain gains, made a high of 311, now quoting at around 309. If you see again market or Canara Bank moving above 311 or today's high 312, you can go long in Canara Bank. Canfin Homes, clear downward movement with volumes as well as with many red candles. Chola Finance, not much movement. City Union Bank, Federal Bank, Fin Nifty. Fin Nifty has seen the expiry yesterday. Generally, the indexes have expiries on Thursday and stocks have monthly expiries. Nifty and Bank Nifty have weekly expiries on Thursday. Stocks have monthly expiry on the last Thursday of the month, but this is one odd man out, Fin Nifty, which has an expiry on Tuesday. So yesterday being a Tuesday, yesterday it has finished its expiry week, and today we are again opening the fresh week. Fin Nifty trading at around 19,022. This is the chart of HDFC. This is a chart of HDFC. Very small candles. Beware of any stocks which is forming very small candles. If you do not have volatility, then it is difficult to trade in those stocks. HDFC AMC, HDFC Bank, same like HDFC. This is HDFC Life Insurance, making a clear downward movement. iBull Finance going down relentlessly. ICICI Bank opened higher, staying higher, but not much movement. ICICI Bank General Insurance not worth trading because of not much movements in each of the candles. ICICI Pru Life going down with clear trend on the downside. IDFC First Bank opens higher, gives up all the gains, and now currently trading in the negative territory. Mahindra and Mahindra Finance, Manappuram, Matut, not much movement in Matut, but it is on the downward move. RBL Bank and Shriram Transport Finance. Well, overall you can conclude, for the last few days overall stocks have been trading in a very narrow range and making a good movement only in the last few candles, wherein for an intraday trader it may not help much, because if you get any buy or sell signal beyond 230 or 245, it's not worth trading, because you don't know how the closing will happen, because most of the intraday traders have to close their positions by 3:15. So that being the case, if they do not get at least 1 hour to trade, then they may not make a good trades. So whenever you are getting your entries very late in the day, then it is better you skip those trades and wait for a better trading opportunity. So this is with respect to Bank Nifty trading near the higher range of the day. But Nifty also is now trying to come up, opened at around 18,470 and now back to 18,470 levels. Nifty is trading flat with only 7 points up movement. Bank Nifty about 100 points plus. So Fin Nifty is about 60 points in the positive. Well, this is with respect to today's live session. In case if you are interested in knowing more about Training for Living program, do call us on the number that is being displayed. Subscribe to Banao Bharat's YouTube channel. You will be notified whenever we go live, not only with the market live sessions but also with other technical informations. So if you want to learn more about what we do, about our projects, about our activities, on how we do the coaching or mentoring, you can definitely call us on the number that is being displayed. We will be glad to help you on learning the fundamentals of trading activities in a very systematic and tradable manner. With that, you can make a living in just few months of handholding or in few months of coaching. You will be able to become an independent trader. Again, we will meet tomorrow morning at 9:30. Until then, happy trading. Om Swasti.